Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Muffet. Guys, today we're playing with lasers. We're going to be adding these lasers to the Daisy 426, and if it works out, hopefully I can shorten this and add it to my little lad. I'm thinking I can make them real small and make a brass plate hanger and then attach the little lasers on both sides. So what I did is I purchased two of these on Amazon. They're like $14 for two of them. They're a laser, they're also a flashlight, and they're also a blue ultraviolet light. I don't know why you would need that on your little Daisy, but the flashlight and the laser come in handy. I'm going to show you how the targets worked out. But first, I put them on with hot glue. Now, before you sniff up your nose with hot glue, the cool thing about the hot glue is once you get your lasers on, they're not going to be true. They're not going to be sighted in. So you're going to have to adjust no matter what laser you put on your little friendly device. So you're going to have to adjust it by using your hot air gun. You can heat up the laser and then just adjust it a tiny bit up and down or forward and backwards. So it's a perfect way to adjust the little lasers. And then once you get it into where it's perfect, you can add a lot more adhesive. And I was thinking for the regular little guy here, once I used the hot glue, I could add JB Weld after I got to where I liked it. The only thing is, once you use a strong epoxy or JB Weld, you can't remove it easily. Where with the hot glue, you can actually freeze your item, and then when it expands, you can pop off whatever thing you've assembled with your hot glue. It's a good way to make prototypes because then you can take them apart by freezing them. But if you live up north, it's where they're going to freeze anyway. You want to take that into consideration. But it's been a blast. I've been having fun. First of all, I made sure that the pistol or the BB pistol, the Daisy 426, was accurate. I hooked it up to a vise. This is the guy I used. I hooked it up to a little coffee table, and then 12 feet away I put the target up and I shot, and it's perfect. It's dead center except for that one right there. So you know the pistol is accurate. The person using it isn't. This was handheld shooting or accelerating the little BBs very fast and then slow. There wasn't too big of a difference, so that shows I'm not that good at the old Daisy, but I need some more practice. But I put 24 feet away, and I'm kind of happy. I couldn't do that with just the sights. The laser really helped out. And I'm going to show you a video. What I do is I put the laser at just a couple inches high. Like for the target, I would put the lasers right there, and this was where my sight was. So I sort of triangulate. You go like this distance across and then this distance down. So that's where I'm aiming at. So if I wanted to get this, I would aim right above it like that. So it worked out pretty good. This is, you can see it's got a nice flashlight. Looks like Pee Wee Herman in Big Red Bike. All right, so I'll show you a couple of videos because people, when they watch these videos, they want to hear pew, pew, pew. And I'll show you a little bit what's going on with the old Daisy. So it worked out pretty good, guys. I'll leave a link to Amazon. You can buy two of these for like, I think 14 bucks, and they're rechargeable. That's the cool thing about them. You hook them up to a USB cord that comes. Basically, they sell these for people who have cats. Because they want to torment their cats with a laser. But you hook these up to your computer and recharge them. So you need to hook up your Daisy to your laptop because it's not coming off. So I'll let you guys see how it shot. I'm pretty happy, and I'm thinking if I can make this shorter, about this short, and hook it up to my little lad here, I think right here, well, make a little brass hanger. It might work out pretty good. I'll have a flashlight and a laser. But then you can't put it in a holster or your pocket, so you just have to use it at home. But it's just having fun, guys. Hope this is something interesting to you and you can benefit from it. I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 12 years, can't help myself. Got a bunch of cool people I feature on my channel, no relation to me. You want to check them out. And I got a bunch of playlists and over almost working on 750 videos for the last 12 years. All right, guys, that's enough talking. You can watch the pew, pew, pew. All right, see you later.
Pew, 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 pew.